Hey everybody, 902 Sports Cards back again, and today I have a hobby box of the brand new CHL Hockey by Upper Deck. Now this stuff just came out today, and this is the first product in years that Upper Deck has CHL players in their CHL uniforms in it. I believe back in the mid to late 90s and early 2000s, you could get CHL players in their products, but since then it's always been in the game and Leaf. And I'm a huge fan of CHL hockey. I'm originally from Cape Breton, so we had the Screaming Eagles there, and I'm living in Halifax, and we have the Mooseheads here. And it was always a big rivalry between the two Nova Scotia teams in the Q. So I've always collected the Screaming Eagles cards from in the game and Leaf. So I'm excited to see what Upper Deck does with this time. So a quick little preview here. I have have the checklist and stuff here. A box break will get you one autograph, 10-star rookies, 6 top prospects game or promising futures, and 1 base parallel. Now the base set is 300 cards, and the last 100 cards are the star rookies. And you can get printing plates and high gloss at a 10, exclusives at a 100, just like Upper Deck Series 1 and 2. And the retail blasters that will be out, I'm sure, in the next couple days, have a red bordered parallel of star rookies, I believe. So a little incentive to open some blaster boxes if you're trying to complete the whole set of a certain player or team. So it's something to look forward to. But you get 12 cards per pack, which it's a lot of cards per pack. 16 packs per box, and you're guaranteed the one autograph, like I said. So I'm really am excited to see how Upper Deck did with this. So let's get it going. The packs are super thick, I guess, because there's 12 cards. But let's see what we can get here. I'll be looking for the Screaming Eagles, as I mentioned, and I'm not sure. I forgot to mention there's a season highlights insert card that is 1 in every 10 box inner case. So they're kind of like the chase parallel they get of cards. All right, so we have Garrett Pylon, Maxime Comtois, Kalen Addison, Glenn Godden, Cody McDonald, Mackenzie Enstwistle. There we go. First Eagles card for my PC. Jordan Ty Fournier. So that'll be going to my PC of Screaming Eagles cards. Throw that aside. And here's the star rookie. These are the more short printed base cards. This is Samuel Britton. Okay, we'll throw that one aside over there. And Daniil Antropov, which I believe is Nick Antropov's son. He was a longtime Maple Leaf, so that's kind of cool. Brett Davis, Dante Hanoun, and Mark Robenchik. All right. So obviously you'll be looking for the guys like Sam Steele. A lot of the guys that played on the Canada Junior team will be in this product. So you'll be looking for those guys. And they have potential to be some pretty big stars in the NHL in the future. All right, we have Michael Rasmussen, Juuso Välimäki, Cliff Poole, Hugo Waugh, Adam Marsh, Dominic Cormier. Oh, we have an Upper Deck exclusives, I believe. Throw that to the back. All right. Samuel Dove McFalls. All right, and our first hit is exclusives out of 100, 72 of 100 of Alex Beaucage. All right, plays for the Rouyn-Noranda Huskies in the QMJHL. So that is our first insert or hit. So that's not too bad. Continuing on. These cards actually feel like they have like some nice quality to them. They're kind of almost like a thicker card stock. They're definitely thicker than Series 1 and 2, I would say. But I don't know. Mitchell Balmas. Okay. And a Matthew McDougall Star Rookies. And behind that, we have a top prospects game of Henry Jokiharju. Sorry about that. So that's another insert. That's the top prospects game insert. Connor Dwyer, Anderson, McDonald, Dawson. Okay. So far overall, I really love the quality of the cards. I was a little nervous on the quality for some reason, but they did an excellent job. And with there being a huge base set, that gives a lot of chase, especially for someone like me who's trying to collect the full team of a certain team, so you have a lot to go after. CHL Rookies of Ryan Roth. Okay, oh, there's our autograph. And it is of Jack Studnicka. Alright. I've never really heard of him, but then again, these guys are still playing junior, and some of them have probably yet to be drafted. But I'm not sure, so we'll have to keep an eye on him in the future. There's a Mooseheads for the local Mooseheads team here. Alright. Okay, some more base. And a Star Rookies of Sasha Mutala. Alright. Henderson. And some more base. The stuff is priced pretty good too. I paid $78 for this here in Halifax. So, which is a pretty good price for a box where you're guaranteed at least an autograph. And some other cool inserts. So, definitely, it's definitely an incentive to buy this, is the price point. Alright, we have Reese Vitelli, Star Rookies, Michael McLeod, and another card for the Eagles PC, Leon Gobanki. So that's nice. I have 2 of the base so far. And each team has about 6 or 7 base cards for their team, so that's quite a bit of players to grab. There's another Moosehead there, Arnaud Durando. Okay. And a top prospects of Cole Lind. Okay. Some more base. Definitely a product that has a ton of base. But that's what you expect when each pack has 12 cards and there's a 300 card base set. Okay. Go through these. Oh, nice. Another one for the personal collection. Kyle Jessamine for the Eagles. So far I'm doing pretty good there. Star Rookies of Luke Henman. Okay. Noah Dobson, Tessier. Obviously, you can get top prospects for the future draft. Guys like Philip Zadina, who plays for the Mooseheads here, and Andrei Shevchnikov, who was pictured on the box there. They're some of the top prospects. Okay. This pack looks like it might have 2 stars in it. This one is of Alexei Lipanov. And, ooh, another autograph. So that's 2 autographs. Ooh, and it's a Screaming Eagle. Check that out. Igor Sokolov. Nice. What are the chances, eh? So, first of all, we beat the odds altogether in getting a second autograph. And it was a Screaming Eagle for my PC. So, can never go wrong with that. That's a great thing. So far, I'm already stoked on the box. I'm not sure if there's like hot boxes or anything like that they've yet to announce, but so far I'm super excited. Upper Deck did a great job on this product. Brett Howden, Garneau, Ben Jones, Maxime Fortier, Gregor, Brody Williams. Have a Nikita Okhotyuk, Star Rookies. And Samuel. All right. This would be a great product for anyone like me who, you know, has a CHL team in their hometown and are looking to get some of their local guys' cards. And what I like to do is I like to go out and if I can't get them signed in person, I like to do a TTM and get them signed. So something a little extra to do with the cards. I have a Promising Futures of Taylor Radish. Okay. Dmitry Zaitsev. I wonder if he's related to Nikita Zaitsev. Okay, getting down to the last few packs there. Okay. Otto Sampi for the Mooseheads, and Cody Glass Top Prospects game. Alright. Yeah, I definitely give this a high grade on the quality of the cards. Like I said, I don't know how to explain it. It almost feels like they're a thicker card stock almost, like, but I don't know, but it's nice. Okay, Top Prospects game of Michael Rasmussen. And they're not as glossy as Series 1 and Series 2. So they slide a bit easier, which is nice. Jarrett McIsaac, I think he's a top prospect for this upcoming draft. So that's cool. And Igor Zudilov, Star Rookies. And some more base. And the final 2 packs. See what we can get here. Clegg. CHL Rookies of Damian Giroux. And a Cody Glass Promising Futures. Not bad. And our last pack. have a CHL Rookies of Cody Morgan. All right, that's it. So overall, I would say a great box. You know, we beat the odds grabbing 2 autographs instead of the 1. And a great box for me is one of the autographs was a personal collection. So Star Rookies autograph of Igor Sokolov, a Jack Studnicka autograph, and a exclusives out of 100 of Alex Bocage. So that's what you get in a hobby box of the brand new CHL Hockey. Overall, it's a great product. If you're into CHL Hockey, if not, then I suppose it's not for you. But I kind of like the whole aspect of seeing players before they actually make the NHL and seeing them in the future and see what they actually turn out to be. So that's one of the reasons I go for this stuff. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, because I try to get up as much content on here as I possibly can. And I'm probably going to try some blasters of this stuff. See if I can get the red bordered parallels. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. See yous.